I'm going to show you how to steal other people's pins. Okay guys, I will not really show you how to steal other people's pins, but I will show you how to find pins that are going viral and how to replicate those pins totally free. And best thing is, it is literally copy and paste. So if you are a beginner and you wish to start Pinterest affiliate marketing, then this video is for you. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Now it is best if you choose something that you love, something that you like, something that you actually know, something that you understand. Now if you don't know what exact niche to choose, well, you can simply come here on ChatGPT and you can ask it a question. You can say something like this, for example, what are the best affiliate marketing niches for weight loss? Here you can see, now here you can add your own keyword, weight loss, dogs, cats, workout, travel, or whatever you want. But for this purpose, I will stick with the weight loss and simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will give you a list of weight loss niches. Here you can see natural weight loss and detox. Here you can see fitness exercise for weight loss. And here you can see they are even suggesting you some sub niches. So you can niche down. And you can even ask them, ChatGPT, to give you more niches, sub-niches in this particular niche, for example. But also you need to see, does this niche has a potential? Does anybody search this on Google? You can simply use Google keyword tool to see how many searches that keyword, that niche has every month in the United States and also globally. And also you need to see, are there any good products in that niche? Because if there are no good products in that niche, so why would you start anything in that niche? Because you cannot sell anything, you cannot make money. So what you can do, you can simply ask a question here on ChatGPT. So for example, you can ask something like this. What are the best affiliate products for natural weight loss and detox? Here you can see that is the first niche, natural weight loss and detox. So simply press enter and now ChatGPT will give you best products in this niche. Here you can see they're already giving me products, and here you can see where you can find the product so you can apply for affiliate program, okay? And here you can see there is lots of these products. Some of these products are on ClickBank and Digistore24, so you can, if you are a member of one of those affiliate marketplaces, you can find those products there and you can start promoting them. So now when you have your niche and when you found the products that you wish to promote, now you need to start your own blog or website. Now, you can send direct traffic from Pinterest to your affiliate offer, but I would suggest you, this is important, to send traffic to your blog or your website. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't have money to invest, you can simply come here on Google and then here in upper right corner, click on these dots. Click here on Blogger, okay? Blogger is 100% free and it is owned by Google, so it is a trusted website. And here you can start your own blog and you will get 100% free web hosting. And if you have a custom domain, you can add your custom domain here on the Blogger. So after you do that, you just need to start blogging. You just need to start publishing articles. So now when you have your niche, you have your product, and even if you have your own blog, you need to start driving traffic. So what you need to do? You need to go here on this website called Sort Pin, and it is free. Here you can see you can add a sort pin on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or even on Mozilla Firefox. It is free. Now in the minute you will see why you need this extension. So after you install this sort pin on your Google Chrome in this case, what you need to do next, you need to come here on Pinterest and here you can see what sort pin is doing. Here you can see sort pin is showing you when this post was made. Here you can see 7 months ago. How many shares this post have, how many comments, how many repins, how many saves this post has. So sort pin will actually show you which of these posts went viral. So I'm in weight loss niche. So for example, let's say how to lose belly fat. When I click here I can see which of these posts went viral. Here you can see this post here went viral and it is a video. So when you scroll here, you will see more posts. Look at this. This post was posted only 2 months ago and already has 518 shares, 54 comments. It has 6,500 repins and it has 1700 reactions. So this is obviously a good post. So when I click here, I can now analyze this post. So what I need to do, I simply need to right click here and then click here on Save Image As and save this image on my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I need to go back here on ChatGPT and I need to ask it to analyze this image for me. So simply click here on this plus and then click here on Add Photos and Files. And this is the image that I downloaded from Pinterest, and then give it a prompt. Please analyze this image and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will analyze this image for us. So we don't need to do this manually, okay? ChatGPT will do that for us. Here you can see it is analyzing this image. So it's finished, okay? So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this, okay? So I will simply copy this, okay? Copy this. And then what you need to do, you simply need to go here on Google Gemini and then click here on Add Tools and then click here on Create Images. Now we are going to use Google Nano Banana to recreate this pin here from Pinterest. Okay? So simply go back here and simply paste that text that we copied from ChatGPT. Paste the ChatGPT analytics from simply here on Google Nano Banana. So here I will actually delete this, okay? And now just press enter. And now Google Nano Banana will recreate this image for us, so we don't need to do anything. So let me just go back here. Now Google Nano Banana is best. Here you can see it is actually really good. It is similar, but not the same. Here you can see how this looks on Google Nano Banana, and this is how this post actually looks. Now, I forgot to tell to Google Nano Banana to make 9:16 ratio image, but it doesn't really matter now. Now I tested ChatGPT to recreate this image. I also tested Ideogram, but I personally got the best result here on Google Nano Banana. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here, download full size, and I will download this image to my computer. So next thing I need to do, I need to go back here on Pinterest. And here you can see this pin is actually optimized for Pinterest search results. And that is exactly what you need to do. In order to rank high on Pinterest search results, to get even more engagement, to get even more free traffic from Pinterest, you need to optimize that pin. Here you can see they added title, and that title actually contains a main keyword, so you need to do exactly the same thing. So I can simply copy this, Control C, go back here on ChatGPT, and I can simply tell it to rewrite this title. So I said rewrite this title to be more catchy, and then I added this title and press enter. And now ChatGPT will do exactly that. Here you can see they're offering me more titles, 5 titles. So I will simply copy this, okay? I will copy this one here, okay? Control C. And now you simply need to click here on create and then click here on pin, okay? And now I need to find the image that I downloaded from Google Nano Banana. This is the image. And then I need to add a title. This is my title and it contains my main keyword, okay? It's not exactly, so let's just go back here. Okay, I will actually use this title here. It has my main keyword. Now you need to do this. You need to check these things. You need to pay attention. So now I need to add my description. When we go back here on this pin, here you can see this pin has a description, and that description includes their main keyword. Same thing, copy this, go back here and tell ChatGPT to rewrite this. Now here you can see my prompt. Rewrite this pin description, but make it look like it was written by a real human being. And then I added this description and then simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will rewrite this description. Here you can see how this looks. So I will simply copy this. And again, make sure that this description contains your main keyword. Simply go back here and add your description. Now, to be honest with you, I would personally rewrite this, okay? The title and also description. None of these big websites like AI stuff, so you need to rewrite this by yourself. That is my recommendation to you. But if you don't know how to do that, you can use ChatGPT. But you will get better results if you rewrite title and description by yourself. Okay? So what you need to do next is, when we go back here you can see they added some hashtags. You can add same hashtags. Okay? Just add those hashtags. Okay? Here you need to add a link to your blog post. Like I said, send traffic to your blog, not to your direct affiliate offer. Choose here right board, and then here you need to tag topics. My topic is weight loss. Here you can see weight loss tips, weight loss motivation, so on and so on. And after that, when you click here on more options, you can add alt text. I would suggest you to add alt text. You can also schedule this. And after you finished everything, all you have to do is just click here on publish and you will publish your pin. But you need to optimize that pin, okay, for Pinterest search results. Now, to be honest with you, with just one pin, you probably won't get that much traffic, but you saw how easy it is to make these pins, to recreate these viral pins. So if you create and upload 10 pins every day, trust me, it will take you less than 1 hour to create those pins. After just 1 month, you will start getting a lots of free traffic from Pinterest. It is that easy. So this is how you use ChatGPT Nano Banana to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.